Hi guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of my modeling adventures, I present you my Messerschmitt Me109G by Hasegawa in 172 scale and kit number A010 250. This is an older kit from Hasegawa and I picked it up in an offer from my local hobby store because I wanted to try something different. I usually build armor kits, so without any prior experience from aircrafts, I gave it a shot. So after building this kit, here is my opinion about it. It is a pretty decent and easy kit to build without any problems. No fit issues, neither big gaps that need filling. The only downside I found was the decals that were very thin and easy to rip apart, which led me to destroy one of the crosses in the underbelly of the aircraft. Having said all that, I recommend this kit to every type of modeler because it is easy and fun to build. If you are interested to a brief history about the aircraft and the colors I have used, please check the description below. So that's all guys and girls. If you enjoyed this video or find it useful, please consider subscribing, commenting or even leaving a like. Keep painting and gluing those fingers. See you next time.